Understanding the type code for the Bosch Rexroth Indramat motor, the MDD093. MDD denotes a motor for digital drive controllers. 093 denotes a motor size of 093. C denotes a motor length of C. N denotes a standard housing design. 020 denotes a nominal speed of 2000 min superscript 1. N denotes a standard balancing class. 2 denotes a standard shaft end. L denotes digital servo feedback for the motor. 110 denotes a centering diameter of 110 mm. P denotes a keyway with shaft seal. B denotes a power connection on side B. 0 denotes the motor does not have a blocking brake. Frequently asked questions about the MDD093C. What is the continuous stall torque? The continuous stall torque is 37.1 Newton-meters. What is the continuous stall current? The continuous stall current is 40.7 amps. What is the peak current of this motor? The peak current is 96.5 amps. What is the rotor inertia? The rotor inertia is 0.0042 kgm superscript 2. What is the motor's mass? The motor's mass is 22 kilograms. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Bosch Rexroth motor sales and replacements.